here for the daily update, Wednesday, March 25, 2020, regarding the COVID-19 situation in the city of Lloydminster. 3 questions today from Primetime Local News. First one, with communities like Vermilion and Edmonton closing playgrounds as a precaution, is the city now considering this further, or what would make the city consider closure of parks?
So the city has been following the guidelines from our provincial health authorities, as well as looking at what peer communities are doing. At this time, there is no consideration, or there is no need to close our municipal parks in the city, though we are considering the closure of playground structures within the parks.
Next question. We've heard many elected officials discouraging people from hoarding supplies and food. Has this been a trend in Lloydminster, and have organizations that help the less fortunate been impacted?
Well, we're unaware of if this is a big trend in Lloydminster, but the city is in constant connection with our social support services in the community. At this time, we are unaware of any food shortages that they may have. But I would encourage residents that are looking to lend a helping hand, reach out to these various organizations within the city to see how you can help.
Would the third question, would the city consider closing all non-essential businesses to the public, or would the city wait for that decision to be made by either provincial governments?
The city will be looking for guidance from the experts at the provincial health authorities to give guidance on closures, and we'll be following all their recommendations.
And next we have 2 questions from the Meridian Source. Question 1, has there been any major changes since Monday's announcement from the city in terms of practices in relation to COVID-19?
So on Monday there was a change to the order underneath the state of local emergency for the city of Lloydminster, and that included all the closures that were consistent with the Sask health officials order. Since then there has been no major changes. There has been no changes.
And their second question, has there been any word from the Sask Health Authority as far as confirmed or presumptive local cases of COVID-19?
We'd just like to recommend that if you are looking for any case numbers or information on that, to reach out to the respectable health authorities.